Hello, students of class 12. This is a problem on maxima and minima. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Here one thing it is given to you is the radius of the sphere r, it is given to you. This is the important point. Radius of the sphere, it is given to you. Here I have drawn a figure for it. This is a sphere where a cone is inscribed in it, and radius of the sphere, it is given to you. Now let me take the altitude to be y and the radius of the cone to be x, which is inscribed in a circle of radius r. So in triangle DOB, your OB square is equal to OD square plus DB square. Your OB square, this is r square, and your OD, this is whole is y and this is r, so OD will be y minus r the whole square, and your dB is x square. Here both x and y are unknown numbers, so let me keep one as unknown. So r square minus y minus r the whole square is equal to x square. We know that the volume of the cone, because the volume of the largest cone, so volume of the cone, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi x square r square h, this is y. Now I'm going to put the value of x square here, so 1 by 3 pi, your value of x square, this is r square minus y minus r the whole square into y. Now I'm going to find out your this will be equal to, I can write this as 1 by 3 pi r square y minus 1 by 3 pi y minus r square into y. Your dv by dy, this will be equal to dv by dy, here this will be equal to one thing, it is better to do that. Let me open this, so this will be better for you. If I open this will be better for you for doing the differentiation. It will be better for doing the differentiation. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square y minus, and this will be pi by 3 y square minus 2yr plus r square and y. So this becomes v is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square y minus pi by 3 y cube minus 2y square r plus r square y. Now I am going to differentiate it, dv by dy with respect to y. So this becomes pi by 3 r square, and this will be pi by 3 into 3y square minus this will be pi plus pi by 3 into 4yr, and this will be minus pi by 3 r square. Now I am equating this to 0. Here you see pi by 3 r square and pi by 3 minus cancels out. So here dv by dy, this comes out to be dv by dy, this comes out to be dv by dy, this comes out to be minus pi by 3 into 3y square plus pi by 3 into 4yr. Now equating it to 0, minus pi by 3 into 3y square plus pi by 3 into 4yr. This is equal to 0. So here this becomes 3y square is equal to 4yr, and your y, it is equal to 4r by 3. Now second derivative is d2v by dy square. So this is equal to minus pi minus pi minus pi into 2y plus 4 by 3 pi r, and when I put the value of y here, d2v by dy square, y is equal to 4r by 3. The result I get here is minus pi into 2 into 4r by 3 plus 4 by 3 pi r. So this becomes minus 8 pi r by 3 plus 4 by 3 pi r. So this is equal to minus 4 pi r by 3. This is less than 0. So therefore y is equal to 4r by 3 is the point of maxima. Is the point of maxima. Now what I am going to do, we have to prove that volume is this volume, it is how much, 8 by 27. So here your volume will be equal to, so here your volume that is V, volume will be V is 1 by 3 pi x square y, and the value of x square was value of x square, that is since I have rubbed it, OB square is equal to OD square plus DB square, and your OB is R square is equal to OD is y minus r the whole square and x square. So your r square minus y minus r the whole square is equal to x square. So here 1 by 3 pi, the value of x square is r square minus y r the whole square into y. So this will be 1 by 3 pi r square. Value of y is this 4r by 3 minus r the whole square into y. The value of y is 4r by 3. So this becomes how much? 1 by 3 pi r square minus this is r square by 3. This is r square by 9. This will be r square by 9 into 4r by 3. Again this becomes 1 by 3 pi, this will be 8r square by 9 into 4r by 3. So this becomes 4 by 3 pi r cube into 8 by 27. So this is equal to 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere.